Smartwatch from Xiaomi Haylou LS01. Record your full day steps, activity distance and calorie consumption in real time, scientifically detect your exercise status and help you adjust your exercise intensity. Combine the intelligent heart rate algorithm to accurately record each of your heartbeat moments and escort your health for 24 hours. Intelligently recognize and record sleep patterns, let you know your sleep quality and help you adjust your sleep habits. Remember everything about you with your heart, and remind you of all the information and activities. 210 mAh high power, long life for 14 days, durable. IP68 dustproof and waterproof. 1.3-inch height-brightness screen for clearer picture. 34 gram weight, smooth and soft PU wristband. The Haylou Sport app is easy to operate and can be used to set various functions of the watch. You can find the price and links to this watch in the description of this video.